here today just to give you a small fact about Ramadan, and I would like to tell you that during Ramadan Muslims believe fasting is a core part of their religious beliefs, and the meal at dawn is called the suhoor, and the meal at dusk is called the iftar. I've been very fortunate enough in my many years living in the Emirates to experience fantastic iftar celebrations and meals with friends and with family. So I'm going to miss that this year. Anyway, I hope you have a fantastic Ramadan. Ramadan Kareem. Thank you.
رمضان شهر التسامح والمحبة، رمضان شهر الخير والعطاء. كل عام وأنتم بخير. رمضان كريم.
A Muslim year is a lunar year. So every year, Ramadan moves forwards by 10 to 11 days. Ramadan starts with the sighting of the moon. From my family to your family, Ramadan Kareem.
Ramadan Kareem to all our families at DHA celebrating this year. During Ramadan, Muslim people fast, so that means no eating or no drinking during daylight hours.
Even we have a different Ramadan this year with the quarantine and the mosque to be closed. But still, we have our hearts to be open, to share, support, and love each other. Have a lovely and blessed Ramadan, everyone. Ramadan Kareem.
Ramadan for me is a special time where people come together, they give, they share, they donate, and they reflect. Ramadan Kareem, everybody.
Ramadan Kareem. During Ramadan, people are encouraged to give to good causes and to show generosity to their neighbours.
Wishing you all Ramadan Mubarak. May this special month bring happiness, health, and success to you and your loved ones. Take care.
في شهر رمضان الكريم قبل الإفطار نقول اللهم لك صمت وعلى رزقك أفطرت. رمضان كريم.
Hi everyone, as you'll have seen from this week's Smacktown Monday, Ramadan is a really important time for charity and being kind to those around you. Ramadan Kareem!
Hi there, Ramadan Mubarak everybody. So here's a fun fact for you guys. Did you know that if you are fasting correctly, it can release endorphins into the body and help your mental well-being? It can also help to detoxify the body.
Ramadan Kareem. I know that the Holy Month of Ramadan lasts for 30 days. It is a time of reflection, and during that time people are encouraged to do good deeds for others. Even little children can show thoughtfulness to other people during the time of Ramadan.
Ramadan means every sweet for me. It's a sweet of Quran and sweet of food. Happy Ramadan.
في رمضان أول شيء نتناوله هو التمر. إن شاء الله رمضان كريم على الجميع.
Ramadan Kareem. The Islamic calendar is based on the moon rather than the sun.
Ramadan Kareem. Ramadan is the 9th month of the Muslim Islamic calendar. It requires Muslims to fast during daylight hours.
When Ramadan is over, Muslims have a celebration called Eid al-Fitr, which is also known as Festival of Breaking of the Fast, where families come together and meet friends and exchange gifts.